This is a channel called Mindful Movement, and they're getting over 2 million views a month by making meditation videos. If they were making a $5 CPM, which honestly I think it's a lot more, that means they would be making $10,000 a month from just ads alone. However, they sell all sorts of products related to meditation within their videos, and in my estimate, that's probably double their ad revenue. So in total, they might be making $30,000 a month from just this channel. Don't believe these numbers I'm giving you? Well, I've just started a completely new channel with only 200 subscribers and with only 9.5 thousand views, and from just this channel alone, I've already made $1,300. The meditation channel I just showed you is making 200 times this amount of views. So not only is $30,000 a month possible, but it's actually commonplace for a channel of that size making those types of videos and selling those high payout partners. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create any type of YouTube channel, whether it's a channel like that, a personal channel, whatever, and potentially make $30,000 a month from less than $50. Using a software called TubeMagic, which is specifically designed to supercharge your YouTube channel using AI, you're gonna wanna go to the keyword research tool. Every single thing I'm gonna be showing you guys in this video is designed to make sure you get the most amount of views as soon as possible so that you can make your channel profitable quickly. Now in the keyword research tool, you're able to put in any keyword related to your channel. So let's say for this example, I'm making a video about affiliate marketing. If I put that in, it's gonna show me a list of all these related keywords and how many views they're getting per month, the competition, and an overall magic score. Here's an example right here, TikTok affiliate marketing. This keyword is getting over 100,000 searches a month with a low competition. Meaning if I make a video about TikTok affiliate marketing, then I am tapping into a huge keyword that's getting 100,000 searches a month that no one is making videos about. Not only that, but if you go to the video research tool on TubeMagic, you're able to search in any niche and get the results of the most highest performing videos within your niche by filtering the results. Then you can just simply pick a channel you like that's getting consistent views within your niche, copy their name, go back to TubeMagic, and on the video ideas tool, you're able to paste in their name and hit on generate. And now TubeMagic is generating you unlimited, unique, viral-worthy video ideas in seconds. So that means you're getting video ideas based on a channel that's already winning within your niche, that already has winning videos. Using this tool, you can get 10 to 15 viral-worthy video ideas for future uploads in 10 to 20 minutes, which would usually take you more than a day to come up with that many. Now, I know I told you guys it takes you $50 to start this method, but I lied. It actually only takes you guys $1 to start this entire method. Yes, I'm serious. For only just $1, you get access to one of the most top-tier AI softwares on the entire internet, specifically designed for YouTube and making viral videos as easy as possible. You can access this exclusive reward in the description below for 1 week of TubeMagic for only $1. And if you follow the same steps I teach within this video, then you can easily make 2 to 3 months worth of content in just 1 week. Now, switching over to a free website called Digistore24, you're able to access an entire marketplace full of products with crazy commissions. However, I want you guys to pay attention to the products that give you high returns per every sale. Now, I can't speak for everyone, but I've noticed a huge difference when people sell a product that gives them $10 per sale versus people selling a product that gives them anywhere from $300 to $500 per sale. There is a huge difference in how much money they make for every 1,000 views. Just because one product is 50 times more the price, it doesn't mean it's gonna sell 50 times less. For all you know, it could sell only 5 times less, meaning you are making 10 times the money by choosing a product that gives you a higher return per sale. So from just my personal experience and my advice from me to you, I recommend you choose a product with high returns, because if you just sell a couple of sales, then you've already made thousands of dollars. Creating an account with Digistore is 100% free, and other alternatives you can use are ClickBank or Amazon affiliates. And now that you have your high profit affiliate, you're gonna wanna go to TubeMagic's AI scriptwriter, because their scriptwriter actually analyzes the top videos on YouTube with 10, 20, 30, 50 million views that have a super engaging script. And by taking their script, they're able to create some type of model of what is an engaging script on YouTube, and you're able to tap into this with the AI scriptwriter on TubeMagic. So by putting in a video idea that we mentioned earlier, you can add some context, select the length and a format, and hit on generate. And now TubeMagic is generating you an entire engaging script within a couple of minutes right in front of your eyes. And you can make 10 of these within an hour, which normally this would take you a couple of days to write 10 scripts. And then add a mention to your high payout partner near the beginning of your video where most people are watching, so you can get the most amount of conversions as well. Don't believe me that this works? Well, from my personal personal experience, here's a video's audience retention before I used the AI script writer. And here's one directly after I started using it. And as you can see, the audience retention is a lot better and a lot healthier. YouTube will specifically boost videos with high audience retention. So by just using this one tool, you're able to increase your audience retention just like that. If you're confused how audience retention works, how engagement works, and why YouTube pushes out some videos and why it doesn't push out others, then you can actually watch a completely free 4-part video series on this channel that tells you all of this information in a super compact, super digestible way. It is completely free to watch on this channel, and I've put the link in the description below for all of those who are interested in discovering how to potentially 10x the growth on their channel. And some people put content like this behind a $1,000 paywall, but we're giving it to you guys for completely free. Now, once you have a script, you can go into your typical content creation cycle, or you can use AI to completely make this much more faster. You can use something like V.io, which gives you much more hands-on process, or you can use something like Pictory, where you can just simply put in your script and it generates you an entire video just simply based on your script that you've inputted. Whatever process you pick, you just need to use this one last tool that will ensure the chances of your video going viral are the absolute highest. When uploading your video on YouTube, instead of filling everything out, leave it blank and don't set your video as public. Instead, set it as unlisted and wait for it to finish processing before you copy the link to your video. Now, TubeMagic actually studies viral videos and looks at their optimization to try to discover a pattern to see why these videos go viral and why some don't. So by copying your link and putting it into TubeMagic's Warp Upload Optimizer, it'll figure out what's being said within the video, and based on that context, it'll fill out your title, description, and tags with the viral optimization from all of those other videos by using AI machine learning. And then once it's generated you that viral optimization, you can simply copy and paste it and then switch it to public or scheduled. However, remember to put the links to your high payout partners at the very top of your description so they're easy to access and it's easier for you to get those sales conversions from your video. This is exactly how I made $1,300 from a channel with only 200 subscribers and less than 10,000 views. Imagine if I was getting maybe 10,000 views a day. Imagine if I was getting 50,000 views a day. Imagine how much money I would make from just that one channel. I sold a product that gave me $200 in return for every sale, and I just needed to convince 1 in 3,050 people to buy it in order for me to get $1,300 from just this small channel. You guys can get TubeMagic today for 1 week for $1, one of the most top tier AI softwares. And if you guys want to discover secrets of YouTube, then you can check out this video series right here we made specifically for you to supercharge your YouTube channel.